do you see?
The people.
What is that? Can you say, what's your name? Is your name Clark? Can you say Clark? Yes, you can. Can you say red?
That's
Say red. Uh-oh. Can you say red?
la
Red.
la.
No red.
Okay.
Green. Can you say purple? Say it. Purple. What about blue? Can you say blue?
Book.
Blue. Can you say red? Can you say red? Red. No tongue. Red. 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 Can you say nose?
No.
Nose. Can you say teeth?
Teeth.
Can you say tongue? You got food on your tongue. Can you say ears?
A bow.
Bar. Yeah, the bar's on your tongue. Okay, it's all clean. All clean. You see your boogers? You say booger? Say booger. Yeah, booger. Can you say car?
Da.
Car.
Boom.
Vroom.
Choo choo.
Choo choo.
Choo choo.
Choo choo.